I know it's frustrating when something is eating your plants. When you boost a plant's health to reach its genetic potential, it's not susceptible to pest and disease. A plant probiotic called EM1 can help accomplish that. For me, it completely got rid of a persistent whitefly problem that I had. This is a powerful combination of microbes. I use EM1 as a foliar spray and a drench. The result? Plants have stronger root development, nutrient uptake, higher yields, improved quality. It also inhibits disease-causing organisms like blight on tomatoes and black sooty mold on fruit trees. My veggie garden, fruit trees, houseplants, landscape plants, they all benefit from EM1. TeraGanix, the distributor of EM products, has partnered with Stax Urban Harvest, and this means that you get a 15% discount when you use the link in the description and promo code Stax Urban Harvest. For more information about EM1, check out this other video.